Buddha's flower. Buddha's flower. This is Buddha's flower. Huh? Yeah, cannot. This is good. Buddha. Okay, we can offer Buddha. These flowers? This is Singapore. Cannot be happen. This is different computer. Yeah. Maybe. What happened today? Because of don't know what. Yeah, sure.
This is PNC. Always technical failure. My office also always technical failure. 你帮我开这个。
This is not working?
Sorry?
Okay.
Okay. 没有声音噻？那个插头啊，要不你站上去按。extra one extra. And they all because of me.
Why?
Everything late.
It's okay.
I haven't finished. Just in time.
Today are you join class?
Inside.
Why inside?
Control the sound.
Mouse not need. Okay. It's okay. We recite Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Good afternoon. Now I can just no? Okay.
Lesson 8. Verbal adjectives or present participle. Today is a new lesson. But now you can understand the meaning. What is the meaning? Present participles. Understand? Same like in the last lesson I already explained example, the quality, the guna. Who has quality? We call gunava. Same way, now we are going to use the action. This is a noun. Now verb. Verb going to change to the noun. Who is going? Who is going? How's English? Who is going? One of the persons going, no? We can say gone. Come. Who is coming? Some. Coming. Yes, coming. Who is coming? We can say coming. Coming man. This is the coming. Coming is the nouns. Example, who is cooking? We can say cooking. Yeah. The same way, who is looking something? We can say that the example now, the one of the man looking something. At that we no need to use his name. We can say looking. Understand? According to English, we can say that the verb going to change to the noun. Verb will be noun. This is a present participle, we call. Present participle. Now, gaccha, gacchanta, going. Who is going? Okay? Gaccha, mana, going. But usually it's better enough to gacchanta is enough. Okay? Now, declension of present participle, masculine. Patama, gacchang, gacchanto. So going, the man. The going. Gacchanto, gacchanto is a plural. I saw already. No, so the little bit the printing mistake. The present participle singular gaccha, no? At that we have to say gacchang or gacchang and gacchan. Please, the something mistake. Mistake. Page, yeah, 3. Yeah, under the masculine. Yeah, masculine is correct. Masculine is already mentioned. Page number 3. No, 1 of 3. 1 of 3. First page. 1 of 3. Yeah, gacchang. Yeah, gachang and gachanto. Okay. Now the one example, you see, gamang gachanto naro. Now without naro also we can say gachanto. Gamang gachanto odanang pachiseti. Who is going to village? He is cooking rice. You see, the man who is going to the village will cook the rice. Understand? Now the gamang gachanto naro. Example, without gachanto, gamang, naro odanang pachisati. The man will cook the rice. The man will cook the rice. But this man going to village. His action. He want to go village. That's why the man who is going to village will cook the rice. You understand? Okay. Okay, please recite singular and plural again. Okay, gachang, gachanto, gachanto, gachanta. Now we see in the singular form also gachanto. Plural form also gachanto. How we understand? According to Naro. If you say gachanto naro is a singular. Gachanto nara. This is a plural. Example, gachang naro, singular. Gachanta nara, plural. Can understand, no? Different. Okay, please recite. Gachantang, gachante. Okay. Aham passami. Aham passami meaning? Na, aham passami. What does it mean? Aham passami. I will see. Aham nare passami. I will see the men. Gamang gacchante nare. Huh? No. Gamang gacchante nare. Who is going to village? No. Men. I will see the man who is going to village. I see the men going to the village. Passami, no? Not pastisami, no? Sorry. Okay. 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 Sorry? Wom- Gachan. This masculine, but they have three gender. You have to follow three gender, three way. Under the feminine, no, it is different little bit. Okay. It's under masculine, huh? Okay. Next, please recite first Tatiya. Gacchata. Okay. So, pachantena purisena saha bhasati. So bhasati. So bhasati meaning he talk. He talk. He speak. Purisena saha. With the man. Purisena saha. Saha meaning with, no? Purisena with the man. Pachantena. Pachati meaning cook. Pachati meaning cook. Pachati meaning cook. Who is cooking? The man. Now he talk with the man who is cooking. Yes, man is cooking. Now, example now, the upasika cooking. Now, kapya talk with you. Understand? Same. When you are cooking, at that time somebody talk with you. He talk with the man who is cooking. Already catch, no? So, pachantena purisena saha bhasati. First of all, you don't try to see the whole sentence. First, try to see what is the verb, what is the subject, and the object. So object. Then can understand subject, object, verb. Then after that can put the other thing. Okay. Chatutti. Please recite first. Gacchato gaccantassa. Gaccatang gaccantanang. Ahang hasantassa narassa phalang dadami. Okay, now see, what is the verb? What is the verb? Dadami. What is the subject? Subject ahang. What is the object? Phalang. Okay. Ahang phalang dadami. What is the meaning? I give. No. No. Ahang phalang dadami. What is the meaning? I give the fruits. sorry, fruits, one fruits. Hasantassa narassa. He's a receiver. Chatutti, no? Narassa meaning for the man. Hasantassa. Hasati. Hasati meaning laughing. Hasati meaning laugh. Hasati meaning laugh. Who is the laughing? I give the fruits to the laughing man. I give the fruit to the laughing man. Why? I give the fruit to the man who is laughing. Okay? Next. Gacchata gaccantamha gaccantasma gacchatebi gacchatehi. From. Please recite the sentence. Ganhati ha is alone. Ganhati here. Okay. Now Kumaro Ganhati. What is the meaning? Kumaro Ganhati. Kumaro meaning? Kumaro, the boy, takes. What is? Pottakang, book. From where? From whom? Naramha, from the man. What is he doing? Pacantamha, cooking. The boy takes the book from the man who is cooking. This meaning something doing he, no? The man something doing. Not so deep, very simple. Okay, next. Chatti. Gacchato gaccantassa gaccatang gaccantana. Kasantassa kassa kassa putto khettamhi charati. Putto charati. The son walks. Kettamhi meaning in the field, paddy field or in the field. No, the son walks in the field. Now son, who is son? The son belongs to whom? Kassa. Kassa meaning farmer's son. Farmers, he's doing something. Kasantassa. Yes, correct. The son of the farmer who is, what is he doing? Plowing, works in the field. Flogging. Okay. Next. Sattami. Gacchante Puriso gacchantesu munisu pasidati. Puriso pasidati. Pasidati meaning? No, pasidati. The man have faith. Or pasidati, he has the good mind or happy mind. Pasidati. Munisu in the monks, in the bhikkhus. Gacchantesu who are going. Huh? No, going is a monk. Example now, some bhikkhus, they are going Pindapata. And this is they have the two objects. Example, he has faith for the monk because this bhikkhu is walking, going the Pindapata around the arms round. Huh? Yeah. The going to village or going to alms round, you can add, huh? Okay. Puriso pindapatang gacchantesu munisu pasidati. Alms round. Okay. Alapana. Bhogamang gaccha nara idha vasatu. The man who is going to the village, please stay here. The man. The man. Okay. Please check your book, New Pali Course, the 57, page number 57. Lesson is 18. Exercise. Okay. Now they have the similar example, but just I want to explain some few sentences only. I'm not going to explain all. Okay, first one, check. Gamang gaccanto darako ekang gonang diswa bhai. First of all, try to find the meaning word by word. The bhai meaning bhayati, fear. Bhayati means fear, present tense. Past tense, feared. Okay? Bhai means in the past tense, no? Past tense. Bhayati in the present tense. Bhayati meaning fear. In the past tense, bhai, feared. Diswa meaning having seen. Having seen. Gonang, the ox. Ekang gonang, the an ox, no? Okay, one ox. Okay. One ox. Okay. Darako means the boy. Gachanto darako. Who is going? Gaman to the village. Who is going to the boy who is going to village, having seen the ox, feared. Understand? But you can make the proper in English sentence. Yes. Yeah. Sorry? Yeah, after having seen, yeah. Having seen, yeah. Okay. The same way, they have the exercise. Try to understand, but maybe this time if you can, maybe next time you can do. Now the second, Darika Rodanti. The Darika Rodanti. The Rodanti is the Rodati. Rodati meaning cry. Rodati meaning cry. Rodanti, the feminine. You see? Now the Gacha. Now the change to the feminine. Rodanti. Why? Man. It's okay, no problem. It's okay. No problem. Okay? Now the Rodanti, the feminine, because of Darika, no? Darika is the female, the girl, no? The girl. Rodanti, who is crying? Now you see, now the one thing I want to explain. Sometimes the past participle in front of the noun, sometimes after the noun. This is but both way correct. Now see, first one, Gachanto Daharako. Daharako is the noun, the subject. The in front of the subject, Gachanto. This is a present participle. Okay? Then the second sentence is Darika. It's a noun. After noun, subject. After subject, Rodanti. Past participle. Okay? So the present participle, no? Sorry, we are talking the present participle, no? Yes, sorry. Yeah, present participle. Anyway, the Rodanti, Darika also correct. Darika, Rodanti also correct. Okay? Now, Darika, Rodanti. Who is crying? The girl. Ammaya Santikang. Amma means Mama is correct. Mother. Amma is a mother. Amma is a mother. Amma is Santika, near. Santika meaning near. Amma is Santika, near to the mother. She close to the mother. This is, because of crying, now she is finding the mother. Now, Gantwa, having gone. Pite. Pite meaning on the chair. Pite, on the chair. Pite. Pite meaning chair. Pite, on the chair. Okay? Pite means chair. On the chair. Nisidati, sit. Nisidati, sit. How we write? No, one girl. One girl. Yeah. Because Nisidati, no? One. Now, who is crying? The girl sat. Yes, sit on the chair, having gone to the mother. Having gone to near to the mother. Understand? Anyway, I already make all the answer key of the New Pali's first book. The later ask from the sister failing, you can get. Then try to do the by yourself. Okay? Answer key have, please ask. No, it's okay. Anyway, if somebody want to do first, later can. Somebody want to do together, it's okay, no problem. Because it's still not skillful. You are not skillful the Pali vocab. Your vocab not strong. Yeah. Because now you can understand some grammar, but the vocab not enough. No, your vocab not enough. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, up to you. Okay. Next one. Check. Vanija bandani vikinanta nadiyang nahayante manusse passinsu. They're too long. Passinsu, in the past tense. Passinsu. Passinsu meaning so. Passati, no? See. So. Vanija. Vanija meaning merchant. But merchant, he's doing activity. Bandani vikinanta. Who is selling the goods? The merchant. So Nadiyang, in the river. Nadiyang, Nadi meaning? Nadi is a river. Nadiyang, in the river. In the river. Nahayante manusse. Manusse meaning? The men. But Nahayante, who is bathing. Okay. Sorry? Okay, please check. Translate into Pali. Next page. No, just I want to give only few example only. Going to the river, yes, okay. Yes, correct. Okay. Gachan. You can say now. To the river first. Nading. Gachanto daso. Gachanto daso. Eating some fruits. Now this gacha. Okay, eating kadantang. The fruits. Palani. Sorry. Eating means kadati. Bunjati. Yeah. Now, kadantang, the accusative. Kadantang Some meaning somebody, no? Khadanta, eating some fruits. This meaning the palani. Palani khadantang. Palani khadantang. And at the foot of the tree, of a tree, rukkasa. The foot, mule. At the foot, mule. Rukkasa mule, under the tree, nearby the mule. Rukkasa mule. Sat meaning sit. Nisidi. Okay. Okay, now again, yeah? Going to the river, to the river meaning nothing. Gacchanto daso palani khadanto. Sorry, khadanto, because he is eating. Palani khadanto rukkasa mule nisidi. He is doing two action. This dasa, slave, going to the river, and on the way he sit under the tree to eat some fruits. Huh? Yeah, many action. Yes. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, try to understand simple way, simple sentence. Okay, no need to think too much. He is eating some fruits. Because example now, now you are also going to the city, on the way taking rest on the MRT. Do three few action.
But going to the river is the last action.
Yeah, last action. This is the main point. This is other the extra thing. Okay. Okay. Please check this another declension under the sorry, again masculine, but they have the please change gachantanga. You also please mistake gachanta. Okay, please recite. Gachantang, gachanto, gachanta. Oh, sorry. Here, gachanto, gachanto, gachantang, gachanta. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, the following vocab. Okay, vocabulary. Gacchanta, pachanta, karanta, charanta, dhávanta, nahayanta, hasanta, bunjanta, sayanta, passanta. Every nouns we can change to the present participle. Sorry, every verbs, every verbs we can change to the present participle. Okay. Declension of present participle feminine. Okay, just understand. Kumari. Okay. Gachi. Hmm? Sorry? Gacchantang. Chatti is gacchantia. It's okay, please make correct. Because today is busy. Sorry, the sattam, gacchantia both correct. What does it mean? Sorry, where is? Yes. Gunavatang guna. Okay, gachan. Yes, correct. Gachan. Yes. Gachatang, gachantinang. This is a copy and paste. Mistake. Okay. Okay. Now, gacchanti, rodanti. Remember? Rodanti, feminine. Rodanti darika. Gacchanti darika. Like this, Declension of present participle noite. Gacchang. The masculine gacchang, gacchang, not the gacchang, not a long, short, gacchang. Yeah, gacchang, yes, gacchang. Sorry, noite, under the noite, the page number 3, the gacchang, no, gacchang, yeah, short A, yes, short A. Yes, same. Gaccha, no, masculine is gaccha too, no? No, sorry, the masculine also gacchang, same. Gacchang, gacchanto. Sorry? No, masculine and noiter, the singular, the nominative singular, the same. Gacchang, but one more gaccha, gacchanto. Okay, short, yeah. Okay. Gacchang. Others all are same. Gacchata, gacchantani. Gacchantang, gacchanta, gacchantan. Other all same, like masculine. Please recite. Gat Okay, good. Some more practice, huh? Okay. Gamang gacchanto dharako ekango nandisva bhai. Oh, they have answered. Going to the village, the boy saw one ox and got afraid. The boy saw also the boy after seeing the boy also can, huh? After seeing the boy, after seeing one ox, the boy got afraid. Oh, the boy feared. Dharika rodanti ammaya santikang gantva pite nisidati. Crying, the girl goes near to the mother and sits on the chair. Or the crying girl, having gone near to her mother, sits on the chair. Both all are correct. Okay. Okay. Puriso hasanto rukkang aruhitva palani kadanto sakayang nisidi. Oh. Puriso, the man, nisidi, sat, sakayang, on the branch of the tree. Branch of the tree. Palani kadanto, eating the fruits. Aruhitva, having climbed. Rukkang, to the tree. Hasanto, smiling. Now you know the, okay, now see. The man climbed the tree, laugh. It's better. The laughing man climbed up the tree. Oh, sorry. No, it's better. The laughing man, having climbed the tree, sat on the branch eating fruits. This is the proper English sentence like this. English also very poor. Okay. Bhagava savatiyang viharanto devanang manussanang cha dhammang deseti. Savatya viharanto. The living in Savatthi, the blessed one, taught the doctrine to the gods and human beings. Okay. This is the Pali no need read. You check your book. This lesson, 18 lesson. Yeah, from the 18 lesson, no? This example we took from the book. Okay. Danang dadanto so danava silavan gavesati. Danan dadanto danava. Danan dadanto so danava. Who is giving thing for others? the rich man, giving charity, that rich man, gavesati, seeks, Silavan, the virtuous one. Danang, charity, no? Dadanto, giving. So that Danava, rich man. This has become the subject. The two long, no? Danam, dadanto, so Danava is a subject. Gavesati verb, Silavante is the object. Okay. Next. Ekada girimhi tittanto ahang guhayang sayanting ekang sihang passing. Ekada, one day, girimhi tittanto, standing on the mountain. That day, ahang, I, passing, saw a lion. Ekang seeing, lioness, the woman, no? See lion. Female lion. Sleeping in a cave. Number 7, Hasantocha Dhavantocha Kumaro. This Kumara, this boy, is doing two actions. Hasanto, laughing, Dhavanto, running. Mayang Santikang Agachi, he came to. The boy came near to me, laughing and running. This is the laughing and running boy. Dialogue. Okay. Next, Pali story, dialogue. Katha sallapo, dialogue. Very simple. Today is very simple one. There are two, brother and sister. They are going to school or somewhere. Now they are each other start to talk something. Okay, please recite first. Bhata Bhagini Bhata Bhagini Bhata Bhagini Bhagini na Bhata Bhagini meaning okay. Bhata is a brother. Bhagini, dear sister. Idani twang king karosi. What are you doing now? Idani is now. Twang king karosi. What are you doing now? Idani is now. Idani now. Twang king karosi. Twang is you. King karosi meaning what are doing. What are doing. King karosi meaning what are doing. Okay. Bhagini sister. Bho Bhata means dear brother. Ahang I Buddha Bhasang, language of the Buddha. This is Pali Bhasa. Ajjenang karomi, studying. Yeah, dear brother, I am studying the Buddha's language. Buddha's language meaning Pali. Buddha Bhasang meaning Buddha's language. Sorry? Ajjenang karomi. I am studying. Together. I am studying. The Buddha's language. Okay? Dear brother, I am studying the Buddha's language. Next. Bhata. King pottakang ajjenang karohi. King pottakang. Yes. Which book are you studying? Using. Which book? Kim pottakam, which book? Ajjenang karohi. Are you studying? Which book? King meaning there are who, what, which. Three here. Okay. Next. Bhagini, answer. Ahang Pali Bhasava Taranang Nama Pottakang. Ahang, I studying the name of the new Pali course. Bhasavatarana means Pali Bhasavatarana meaning the New Pali course. This book. Now we are studying this book, no? Oh, no. It's because we call this book Pali Bhasav Tarana. Yeah, Pali language, but they use the New Pali course, but similar meaning. Okay? No. Nama is Pali Bhasav Tarana. It's a New Pali course. Name. I am studying the book name, the New Pali course. Huh? Yeah, Nama Mele also Nama. Everywhere, Myanmar also Nama. Okay. Next. King Idang Sundaram. No, Sundar is this good? Sundaram means good. Is this question? Is this book? Is this good? Sundaram is good. Answer: Evang sabbaso Sundaram. Yes. Yes, oh, yes. It is good. It in every aspect. It's everything perfect, like perfect. Okay. Next. Ahanchatan uggan hitung ichami. Ahangcha, I also. Chami also here. I also. That language, that book. Okay. I wish to study. Ichha means wish. I like. Wish to study this book. Too also again. I too. Mama, I too. Ahancha, I too. The example somebody say, Happy New Year, you too. You say, answer you too, no? May you too. Like this. I wish to study this book too also can. I also wish, I have wish to study this book also can. Tasma means so. Tasma, so. King Mulyang idam pottakang. What is the cost of this book? How much? How much this book? Like this. Mulya meaning the cost. Mulya. How much? Mulya. Idam pottakang, this book. How much this book? Because of that, how much this book? Also, what is the cost of this book? How much this book? $4. Okay. Idang chatu $kang bhavati. $kang. Dollar. Pali translate $kang. This book is $4. But Singapore, idang chatu Singapore $kang bhavati. $kang bhavati. Currency? This dollar. Usually the rupiah is a rupee. We call rupiah is a rupee. Rupiah is the rupiah. But the dollar account we can say dollar. Because the don't have the yeah. Huh? Only gold. Gold, silver. Have. Sakit power. Okay. Bhata, the Bhagini, tumhakam pantiyang khati sissa. Sister, there are how many students in your class? How many students in your class? Also. Okay. Bho bhata so can okay. Amhakam pantiyang pannas sissa santi. Oh, very good class. Dear brother, there are 50 students in our class. But our class only 10. That's a sissa. 50 students in our class. Bhata. Kim tumhakang acharyo sundaro va no? King tumha, your teacher good or bad? Is your teacher good or not? Va, no mean or not? Va means o. No meaning not. Good or bad like. Is your teacher good or bad? Huh? Good or not also can. Okay? Evang so sundaro amhakang bahu mettancha karunancha atti. Yes, he is good. He has a lot of loving kindness and compassion for us. Evang, yes, so sundaro, he is good. Amhakang for us. Bahu metta, lot of loving kindness and compassion. Bhata say sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu means good. End. Finish. Anyway, in the next class, we are going to explain the past participle. Now, this is the present participle. Today we study. The going man. Or like this. Now, we are going to explain the gone. Yes, correct. Gone man, come man, like this. Done before like this. Done. Yes, correct. We are going to explain past participle next time. Okay, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. May you be well and happy. May you be attain nibbana soon.